Hello, everyone. Welcome to episode number 69 of Think in English, the podcast. My name is Lily, and I'm so happy you're here with us today. I'm sitting next to my good friend, Ben. Hi, Ben.
Hi, Lily. Hi, everyone listening. Today is a very special and important topic. We are going to talk about maternity leave. Do you know this phrase? Maternity leave. It's when a woman has a baby and stops working for some time to take care of the baby. It's a big thing for families all over the world.
Yes, exactly. Many of our listeners are beginners in English, so we will speak slowly, clearly, and we will repeat important words many times. Ready? Let's start.
Great idea, Lily. First, let's learn the main words very slowly.
Okay, word number 1, maternity. Say it with me. Maternity. Maternity.
Maternity. It means related to mother. Maternity.
Good. Next word, leave. Leave means time away from work. You don't go to work. Leave.
Leave. So together, maternity leave. Maternity leave.
Maternity leave. Repeat after us 3 times, please. Maternity leave. Maternity leave. Maternity leave. Perfect. Now, why do women take maternity leave? Let me explain in very simple words.
Yes, when a woman is pregnant, she has a baby inside her. Pregnant. Pregnant.
Pregnant. My sister is pregnant. She will have a baby soon.
That's right. Pregnant women need rest. Having a baby is hard work for the body. So after the baby is born, the mom needs time to recover. Recover means to feel better, to get strong again.
Recover. Recover. Say it. Recover.
Recover.
Also, the newborn is called a newborn. Newborn. Very small, very cute baby.
Newborn. The newborn sleeps a lot. The newborn drinks milk.
Yes, so maternity leave gives time for mom and newborn to be together. This is called bonding. Bonding. To become close, to love each other more.
Bonding. Mom and baby bonding is very important.
Very important. Now, let's talk about time. How long is maternity leave?
It's different in every country. In some countries, maternity leave is short, maybe 6 weeks or 12 weeks. In other countries, it's long, 6 months, 1 year, even more.
Wow. For example, in my friend's company in Canada, moms can take up to 12 months. 12 months. That's 1 whole year.
1 year is a long time. In some places, it's paid leave. Paid means you get money from work or from government while you are at home.
Paid maternity leave. Paid maternity leave.
But sometimes it's unpaid. Unpaid means no money from work.
Unpaid. So moms need to think paid or unpaid. Money is important.
Yes. Now let's practice a small conversation. I'll be your colleague at work, okay?
Okay, start.
Hi, Lily. How are you today?
Hi, Ben. I'm very happy. Guess what? I'm pregnant.
Wow, congratulations. That's wonderful news. When is the due date?
The due date is in April. April is my due date.
April. Nice. So, are you going to take maternity leave?
Yes, I will take maternity leave. I want to stay home with my baby for 4 months.
4 months. Good choice. You need time to rest and bond with the baby.
Exactly. Bonding is so important. Thank you, Ben.
You're welcome. We will miss you at work, but your baby is more important.
Aw, thank you. Listeners, repeat this sentence 3 times. I will take maternity leave. I will take maternity leave. I will take maternity leave.
Great job, everyone. Now, another important word, paternity leave. Paternity leave is for dads, for fathers.
Paternity. Paternity. Like maternity, but for father.
Some companies give paternity leave too. Dads can stay home and help with the newborn.
That's nice. Families are stronger when both mom and dad help.
Yes. Now let's talk about feelings. How do women feel before maternity leave?
Many feelings: happy, excited, a little nervous, sometimes tired.
Excited means very happy about something good coming. Excited.
Excited. I'm excited about my vacation.
Nervous means a little scared or worried. Nervous.
Nervous. I'm nervous before a big test.
So a pregnant woman can say, I'm excited, but also a little nervous about the baby.
Yes, and after the baby is born, sometimes tired, very tired.
Tired. Babies wake up many times at night.
But also joyful. Joyful means full of joy, very happy.
Joyful. The mom feels joyful when she holds her newborn.
Yes, let's practice. I feel joyful when I see my baby.
I feel joyful when I see my baby.
Good. Everyone say it out loud now. Okay, another role play. This time I'm a pregnant woman talking to my boss.
I'll be the boss. Ready?
Hi, boss. Can I talk to you?
Of course, Lily. What's the matter?
I'm pregnant. My due date is in June.
Oh, congratulations. That's fantastic news.
Thank you. I would like to discuss my maternity leave.
Of course. How long do you want to take?
I would like 3 months of maternity leave. Is that possible?
Yes, we can do 3 months. It will be paid leave for the first 6 weeks.
Thank you so much. I'm very happy.
You're welcome. Take care of yourself and the baby. We'll see you after.
Thank you, boss. Listeners, repeat. I would like to discuss my maternity leave.
I would like to discuss my maternity leave.
Excellent.
Now, let's talk about after maternity leave, when the leave ends.
Ends means finishes. My maternity leave ends in September.
Then the mom goes back to work. It's called returning to work.
Returning to work. Returning to work.
Sometimes moms feel sad. They miss the baby.
Yes, I miss my baby when I'm at work.
But many places have childcare. Childcare means someone takes care of the child when parents work.
Childcare. There are different types. Daycare, a special place for children.
Daycare.
Or nanny, a person who comes to your home to watch the baby.
Nanny.
Or grandma and grandpa help. That's family childcare.
Family childcare is very common and nice.
Yes. Let's practice one more sentence. I found a good daycare for my baby.
I found a good daycare for my baby.
Say it again.
I found a good daycare for my baby.
Perfect.
Now a longer story from real life. My cousin Anna had a baby last year.
Tell us.
Anna was pregnant for 9 months. Her due date was July 15. She was very excited but also nervous.
Normal feelings.
Anna talked to her boss in April. She said, I want maternity leave from July to December, 6 months.
And what did the boss say?
The boss said yes, and the first 3 months were paid. Anna was so happy.
Great.
After the baby was born, a beautiful girl, Anna stayed home. She rested, fed the baby, sang lullabies.
Lullabies, songs for sleeping. La la la.
Yes, she changed many diapers. Diapers are what babies wear.
Diapers. So many diapers.
So many. Anna said maternity leave was the best time in her life. She bonded with her daughter every day.
Beautiful story.
After 6 months, Anna returned to work. She found a nice daycare near her house. The baby is happy there.
And Anna is happy too. Good balance.
Yes, balance between work and family.
Now, let's repeat some key questions you can ask or answer. Question 1. When is your due date?
My due date is in March.
Question 2. How long is your maternity leave?
My maternity leave is 4 months.
Question 3. Is your maternity leave paid or unpaid?
It's paid for 8 weeks, then unpaid.
Question 4. Who will take care of the baby when you return to work?
My mom will help, and we have daycare 3 days a week.
Very good. Listeners, pause the podcast and answer these questions about yourself or imagine.
Imagine you are pregnant. Answer in your head or speak out loud.
It helps your English a lot.
Another useful phrase is, I'm on maternity leave right now.
I'm on maternity leave right now means I'm not working, I'm home with baby.
Or, my maternity leave starts next month.
Starts, begins.
And my maternity leave ends in October.
Ends, finishes.
Good. One more role play. Talking to a friend after the baby is born.
Hi, Ben. How are you?
Hi, Lily. I'm good. And you? How's the baby?
The baby is perfect. I'm on maternity leave now. It's so nice.
I'm happy for you. Do you feel tired?
Yes, a little tired, but very joyful. The newborn smiles at me.
Aw, can I see a photo?
Of course. Look.
So cute. Congratulations again.
Thank you. See you when I return to work.
See you soon.
Nice and friendly conversation.
Very natural English.
Now, some countries have very good maternity leave rules.
For example, in Sweden, parents can share long leave, mom and dad together, almost 1 year and a half.
In Norway, also good support.
In some countries, only 6 weeks.
Different rules, but everywhere the idea is the same. Protect mom and baby.
Protect. Keep safe.
Yes.
One last thing. Be kind to moms on maternity leave.
Yes, you can say nice things. Congratulations on your baby. Or enjoy your maternity leave.
Or welcome back from maternity leave when she returns.
Welcome back.
Warm and friendly.
Okay, friends, we talked a lot today.
Yes, let's make a short summary.
Today, in episode 69, we learned about maternity leave. We practiced many important words: pregnant, due date, newborn, bonding, paid leave, unpaid leave, recover, childcare, daycare, nanny, paternity leave, excited, nervous, joyful, tired.
We did role plays, telling about pregnancy, talking to boss, talking to friend after the baby is born.
We also learned useful phrases. I'm pregnant. My due date is in May. I will take maternity leave for 3 months. I'm on maternity leave now. I miss my baby, but I like my job. Welcome back from maternity leave.
You did amazing work today. Don't stop. Practice every day. Speak these sentences out loud. Talk to your family or friends in English about family and babies. Listen to this episode again. Repetition is the best teacher for beginners.
You are getting better and better. We are proud of you.
Thank you so much for listening to Think in English, the podcast. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye, everyone. Keep thinking and speaking in English.
Bye.